Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. In this video, I would like to show to you how I'm going to create a part or a single component. Part and component is actually the same, all right? Sometimes people call it as a part, sometimes people call it as components. Actually, it's a same things. It's just that they use a different kind of terms. Okay. Uh, let's say I'm going to create this part or component, right? You can get this from the 3D exercise, which I've already uploaded in the ULearn system. Okay. And as we can see over here, uh, I'm going to create. Okay, you have to plan first before you develop this 3D solid modeling. Okay. So firstly, I would like to create the overall shape of this rectangle box. I can say rectangle box, okay, whereby the overall shape dimension is 50 times 70 times 60, the height, okay. And then once after I already developed the solid rectangle box, I'm going to cut all this. Okay, I'm going to cut this and I'm going to cut this. So let's get started. I'm going to pick new and then part. And since all of these dimensions are in metric units, so you have to make sure that the units that you're going to use is mmts. If let's say if the uh, dimensions, all the dimensions are in inches units, so you have to choose this one, right? Okay, so since all these are in metric units, so I'm going to pick mmgs. Mm stands for millimeters, G for gram, whereas S for second. All right, so I'm going to pick my top plane as my sketch plane, and then I'm going to pick corner rectangle. I'm going to start from the origin, and then I'm going to choose smart dimensions, where the length of this line is 50 mm, this one, right, 50 mm. And on the other hand, this length is 70 mm, right, 70 mm. Then we go to isometric view. There you are. So as you can see over here, this is 50 and this is 70. Now we're going to create the height by go to features and extrude boss. So the height, I'm going to use blind, and the height is 60, so I'm going to keep in 60 mm, right? Then once after confirm, just click OK. So in order to check whether your dimensions, all the related dimensions are correct, so you need to go to evaluate, measure. You can pick this edge, which is 50, escape, measure here 70, press escape button to exit from the command, okay, the measure command. Measure again, and this time 60 mm for the height. There you are, system. So you need confirm all the dimensions are correct. So now I'm going to pick the back here. I'm going to create here from here 20, 40, and then I'm going to extrude cut through all. So in this particular case, I'm going to pick this surface in order to create a sketch here. This particular portion, and then I'm going to extrude cut through all. So I'm going to pick this face as my sketch plane, and then normal to, and then I'm going to pick again corner rectangle, and this time I'm going to start at this point and make sure the dotted orange color appear. Then you can click, then just simply click anywhere. All right, then baru you boleh masukkan the dimensions. So this is 20, mm, and the height, okay, masih lagi ada biru satu yang belum, mana kita belum fully defined. This sketch is still not yet fully defined until it change all this line will convert or will change to black color. So the height from here to here is 40. Okay, 60 minus 20. So this one is 40 mm. Right? So once after confirm, they all, as you can see over here, see all the lines already changed to black color. So it means that confirm that this sketch is already fully defined. Okay. So once after confirm, we're going to go to we're going to pick features and then go to extruded cut. Okay, we're going to extrude through all. Okay, then click OK. There you are. Right. So this one is actually here. So now I'm going to create this one, the L shape. Okay, I'm going to pick this top surface as my sketch plane. Then I'm going to create the L shape. Then I'm going to extruded cut blind with, let's say, 60 minus 20, which is 40 as well. So the depth of the cut is 40 mm. Okay, 60 minus 20. All right. So now I'm going to pick this face as my sketch plane, normal 2. And then I just simply draw, okay, starting from this endpoint. Again, make sure that the dotted orange color, once it's appeared, then you can click it. Then I just simply draw. Don't bother about the dimension first, okay? Why? Because later on we can key in the length or the dimensions. So make sure you touch here, okay? Touch here, click this one and point, and we're going to close the loop of the sketch here. Once after confirm, click OK, and then we can insert the dimensions. From here to here is 20. And then from here to here is 25. This is 25. Right? Okay, we just left another one more line, which is still not yet fully defined. So the distance between here to here is let's say 70 minus, so from here to here is 20 plus 20. Okay, 20 plus 20, which is from here to here is 40. Okay, 20 plus 20. So it means that this length is 40 mm. Right? So once after confirm, you can just we switch to isometric view, and then as what I mentioned to just now, that I'm going to extrude cut with depth, with a certain depth, whereby the depth is 60 minus 20, which is 40 mm. So I'm going to go to features, extruded cut, go down, line with 40 mm. Okay, once after confirm, just click OK. Right? So there you are. This is how it looks like. Okay, so you can straightly go to isometric view. Okay, guys. So that is how we can create the part, okay, step by step, okay, in SolidWorks. You can try out this, all right, and even you can try out other few more exercises which I already gave you in the system. Thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.